Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to create a boot disk. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to follow Microsoft's descriptions of how to create a boot disk, and I'm going to show you how to get to those instructions. Let's open up our internet browser by clicking on our Start button. Let's open our web browser. And we're going to go to Microsoft.com. Now once you reach Microsoft.com, just do a search on their website for boot disk. And in their help files for Microsoft, they have here creating a boot disk for an Ntfs or FAT partition. Now this article will give you explicit instructions as to how to create a boot disk. It'll actually be a floppy disk that they're having you create. And the reason that you want to create that is if for some reason your installation of Windows won't boot up. And they have a few descriptions here as to why that Windows won't boot up. Now there's a couple of different instructions they provide here. Their first method is if you do not have access to a Windows-based computer, and when you use those instructions, you're basically going to take your Windows installation CD that you have and run a command on it that's going to copy some files over to a new CD Rom. The second description that they have is if you do have access to a Windows-based computer, and that basically you will pop a disk into that other computer, copy a few files from the second computer that will be used on the first computer to get it to boot back up. So basically if you follow these instructions, they're going to show you how to create a full Windows boot disk, and that way you can get the computer that's failing to boot to start back up. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just talked to you about how to create a boot disk.